today in this video lecture we will see engineering mechanics subject. So first see this bullet point. Matter is available in two forms, that means solids and fluids. So first understand that meaning of that bullet point. Matter two forms, solids, fluids, and this fluid further classified into liquids and gases. So see example of that. Solid is nothing but the ice, wood, stone. See ice, wood, stone, that are solid examples. Solid is fixed shape, fixed volume, cannot compress easily. And this liquid, that means it is this fluid further classified into liquids and gases. And examples of liquid, we all know that water, milk, oil, that takes that container shape. If you will put that liquid into any other shape, that liquid take that shape, container and any ball shape. That is also fixed in volume and slightly compressible. That liquids are slightly compressible. And that fluids is also gases. So that gases, that means air, oxygen, steam. So they are highly compressible, not fixed volume and not fixed shape. So that is it. Matter is available in two forms, solids and liquids, solids and fluids will further classified into liquids and gases. Now see this bullet point. The study of behavior of matter under the action of applied forces is known as mechanics. So see, consider this as a some material and I apply that force to here. So under the action of this force, how will this material behave? So that is mechanics. The study of behavior of matter under the action of applied forces. So if I will apply force like this, so how will this material behave? So that is it. The study of behavior of the matter under the action of forces. So if I apply force like this, that means how this will act. So this is mechanics. So see, this force word is very important here. Now next, mechanics is a physical science that deals with the study of physical phenomena. So that deals with physical phenomena. That means you will able to imagine that, because it depends on that physical phenomena. It is physical science. So further, this mechanics will divided into different subjects. So mechanics, it is study of matter under the action of forces. Now it is divided into solid mechanics, that means study of solids. So yes, solids. It is fluid mechanics. It is study of fluids. See, I told you that what is matter. Matter is nothing but that solids, either fluids. So this is it. See, study of solids, study of fluids. So study of matter is mechanics, and this solid mechanics like this. See, it is divided into engineering mechanics, in engineering mechanics, in our engineering mechanics subject, we will only take care of rigid bodies. So that is study of rigid bodies only. We will not study of deformable bodies. Study of deformable bodies we had studied in strength of material subject. So here we will study of rigid bodies. So what is study of rigid body? Study of rigid body, that means if this is some body and these are particles of this body, if I apply force here and here, so this particle will not change its positions. So that is rigid body, that will not deform. So study of this. There is no body rigid, but see, we will consider it for our easiness purpose. So that is it. And it is further classified into deformable bodies. That deformable bodies, that means our strength of material subject, study of elastic bodies. And second is plastic theory. It is study of plastic bodies. See, elastic and plastic. So that is it. That is very, what is engineering mechanics, very basics of engineering mechanics. So mechanics is study of matter, and it is classified into solid mechanics, study of solids, and fluid mechanics, study of fluids. And solid mechanics further classified into engineering mechanics. In engineering mechanics we will only study rigid body, study of rigid bodies. And this this solid mechanics further classified into deformable bodies also. The deformable bodies we had studied it in our SWAN subject, strength of material subject, that is elastic bodies. And see this plastic theory, plastic bodies. So that is it. The study of behavior of matter under the action of forces is known as mechanics. It is physical phenomena, and matter is available in two forms, solids and fluids is further classified into liquids and gases. So that is it. Thank you very much.